We are live now. You can start.
Okay. Okay. Hello, everyone. Today we will talk about the SMOD protocol. A little bit about me. I'm a software engineer with 6 years of experience, and including 2 years in blockchain industry. So we'll talk about DoraHacks. First, we'll talk about DoraHacks. DoraHack is a global hackathon organizer and one of the world's most active developer incentive platforms. It creates a global hacker movement in blockchain, quantum computing, and space tech. It is also provide a wide range of toolkits to help developers around the world team up and fund their ideas and build via hackathons, parties, grants, and more. By far, more than 4,000 startups stem from the hackathon community have received over $30 million in grants and other forms of contribution from supporters worldwide. A large number of open source communities, companies, blockchain ecosystem are actively using DORA infrastructure for open source funding and community governance. Next, we'll talk about Evmos. So Evmos is a scalable proof stack blockchain that's fully compatible and interoperable with the Ethereum virtual machine or EVM. It's built using the Cosmos SDK, which run on top of CometBFT. CometBFT is a fork of a Tendermint core consensus engine to accomplish fast finality, high transaction throughput, and shorter block times. While SMOD is an EVM compatible IBC enabled blockchain in the Cosmos ecosystem that designed for cross-chain DApp development with the groundbreaking features like SMOD SDK, SMOD App Store, and SMOD extension. Xmod gives developers the freedom to take advantage of IBC and connect their smart contract to the Cosmos ecosystem. Okay, we'll learn about their key feature. We have three, we have four key feature right here. We'll talk about the Xmod SDK. So Xmod SDK basically is a toolchain to build custom EVM blockchain and help us to launch help us to custom EVM blockchain and launch them more easily. But it's not available right now. Uh, the SMOD developer are working on it, and we will have SMOD SDK very soon later. So we'll talk about the SMOD App Store. SMOD App Store basically is a site that contains on the apps that build on SMOD. So we can take a look at the SMOD App Store right here. You can see currently SMOD have around 100 apps. Okay. In this workshop, we will focus on the SMOD extension. So what's the SMOD extension? If you're familiar with the EVM virtual machine, SMOD extension basically is a stateful precompiled smart contract. It's the implement on the core protocol of SMOD. It allow the app and user access the logic outside of the EVM virtual machine, Ethereum virtual machine. It defines how smart contract can perform uh, cross-chain transactions via IBC, interact with the core functionality on SMOD chain. There are some example of SMOD extension. We have stacking distribution, transfer investing. So what the use case of the EVM extension? With EVM extension, we will able to communicate with other chains, trustedly send and receive access between chains. You can stack SMO token, manage account, and access functionality on other chain. So we'll talk about why Esmod want choose Cosmos SDK to build their chain. So we can take a look at this image. This is the traditional approach where you can see we have an EVM protocol and we have to deploy this protocol on multiple chains, and deployment needs to be actively management as well as on every EVM chain include Ethereum liquidity used to be constrained to one specific chain. But when we talk about the SMOD protocol, so if you blockchain the app strategy, it means you just need to deploy a protocol on SMOD, and this deployment stay on one chain, but it's usable for everywhere because SMOD is built on top of Cosmos AK. So with IBC enable, it will allow us to um, interact with other chains on Cosmos ecosystem. Okay, so okay, next we'll take a look at the IBC transfer extension. So this is an interface through which Solidity contract that can interact with the IBC protocol on SMOD chain. This is good for the developers as well. They don't need to know the implementation details behind the transfer modules on Cosmos SDK. Instead, they can perform IBC transfer using the Ethereum interface that they're familiar with. You can learn more about the IBC transfer extension on this side. Okay. At the end of this workshop, I will demo IBC transfer with on SMOD. Okay. Okay. Next, we'll talk about the consensus engine. So SMOD use CometBFT consensus engine. CometBFT is a fork of Tendermint consensus engine. CometBFT consists to check technical components, a blockchain consensus engine, and a generic application interface. The consensus engine ensures that the same transactions are recorded on every machine in a same order, while the application interface called ABCI enable transaction to process on any programming language. Okay. Next, we'll talk about the EVM compatibility. XMod enable EVM compatibility by implementing various components that together support on the EVM state transactions while ensuring the same developer experience as Ethereum. Ethereum transaction format as commodity state and message interface. We have JSON RPC client for interact with the EVM. They use StateDB interface for state test and queries. Um, most components are implemented in the EVM module to achieve seamless developer use. However, some of the components are implemented outside the modules. If you want to learn about how SMOD achieve EVM compatibility as a Cosmos chain, you can go to 4 section and learn how they can work. They can do it. Okay. The last section. Uh, the last section we will I will demo EVM stacking extension. Okay. First, we need to go to the remit ethereum.org. You can go to this side, and next you need to create a symbol stacker dot zone. This is the symbol stacker contract. You can easily find this information in this side. You can go to this side, you can find the stacking zone here, or you can go to example and you can find symbol stacker. Okay, this is the symbol stacker contract. So at first we need to copy this symbol stacker contract to remit. I already copy this contract here. Okay, why this contract need to import authorization and ties zone. We need to find and copy two file to our remit IDE uh, authorization. You can find authorization in uh, common authorization zone. You can copy this code to the remit IDE. I already copied this to my project right now previously. Okay, and we need to find wait a second. I need to copy. Okay, we need to find ties.zone as well. You can see tie.zone. That this is tie.zone. You can copy this contract into the our project. Okay, and the last one is the symbol stacker smart contract. It requires stacking. We already have a stacking contract here, and it also requires distribution contract. Let me check. Uh, we have a distribution doxon construct under the stay phone folder. You need to copy this contract to our project as well. I already have the contract. Okay, so next, when we have enough information, we will try to deploy the symbol stacker contract. I will compile symbol stacker zone and go to the next tab to deploy. I will choose injected provider MetaMask. And while doing this, I need to connect my MetaMask as well. So I have some Evmos token here, but if you don't have Evmos token, you can copy your address and go to Discord, and you can go to Evmos Discord and go to testnet faucet. You can simply type request and enter your Evmos address. Here you can see I received two more 220 testnet token more. Let me check. Okay, I can check my. Okay, I have a 39 testnet Evmos token. And now we can deploy the um, symbol stacker contract. We just click deploy, and it will ask us to sign the JSON on a MetaMask. I'll click confirm. As you can see, we have our suggestion already success. Let me check. It's on our it's on Export Explorer. Close. Okay. You can see the status is set. Okay. When we deploy the symbol stacker contract, we have a approve request. We have a stack token here. So I will call approve request first. Okay. It's open the MetaMask and I will confirm this transaction. Okay, it's not successful. Let me run this again and change something. I will change the gas, pay fee, and the gas limit as well. Let me see. Okay, this is set. Okay, next we will do the text stack token. We just do 10,000 and it's require a validator address. So how to find this? We can symbol. We can go to the. Let me check. We can go to Discord and go to this one. We'll copy this. Okay. Just copy this. Okay. Remove testnet. Okay, I will find the validator. Like I like to North Guru, and I will get their address. Try and put into validator address transact. Okay, to make sure it work, I will change the gas limit. Okay, as you can see, we can stack Evmos token into the Evmos testnet network with Solidity. Uh, Next, we can try to transfer token via IBC. Let me check. To do it, we will go to IBC transfer and we'll find the extension repo. You can see we have a symbol IBC transfer folder. Just open their contract folder and copy it. CS20 test contract. You can copy it and put it into the our project. Why I already did it before, so I don't need to do so. But one thing we need to modify the contract because the export document is just this. I mean, this contract is for managed environment, so we need to modify something. Let me check. IBC no IBC test transfer .zone. Okay. As I already asked them on the Discord. developer. Where is it? Developer. So they told me that we need to change this one and the channel as well. So let me try. So instead TS mode, we need to ASTS mode, change it to ASTS mode, and the channel name we need to change it to 4424. Okay, 4424. Okay, and then we will combine the transfer of zone. We will I will delete this contract and click deploy. Sign this transaction. Okay, we already have the contract right here. So at first we need to approve the transfer. I will put 10,000 like transact. Okay. I will modify it a little bit to make sure it will work. Sick. Okay. Okay. Oh, wait a second. Maybe I need to put more gas, I think. Okay. Let me see. It's limit. Proof amount. Okay. Deploy it again. Okay, our implementation is successful. Approve transaction. Transaction. Yes. Location. Check there. Okay. Execution fail. Okay, I'm not sure why it's a fail, but I will contact to the developer support on Discord and update uh, this contract to our document later. Okay. Okay, that's all for today. So thanks for watching, and I hope you can learn something in this workshop.